So guys, now what I'm going to do is go down this transition and make a left-hand turn, which means my toes need to be down in a very smooth, precise movement, and I'll make a lovely U-turn and come back up the hill. Watch me. Straighten up. But when you do the U-turn, don't do this and this and this and this, or this and this and this. Keep it one particular incline and keep it like that. And then you get a nice, smooth turn.
Now it's my turn.
Nice, good. You've done this before. Nice.
Okay. Do you approve?
I do, but because you've done all this sliding, of course you can do that. But this is for people who've never done it. Other things that are basic skateboard stuff, people don't know at all. This is for beginners, remember.
So for a complete beginner, leaning back is generally
not natural.
More challenging, right?
Yes.
Skate lessons for grown-ups who wanna be cool
with Skate Daddies.